Hey everybody, I got a package from eBay here. This is actually just randomly from Papa Gleb. I didn't see who the seller was till after I bought it, and we randomly subscribed to each other on YouTube. I'll link his channel, or one of his videos. Pretty cool channel. And this is an American lock, and I honestly don't recall what it is. It was a lock without a key, and then he messaged me saying he found a key. So, there we go. Looks like a 5200, I think. Yep, 5200. Well, the key doesn't really work here. He mentioned he had to kind of jiggle it or something, but no worries. Like I said, I was buying it, not planning on even getting a key, so I'm fine with the key not working. Yeah, he'd mentioned on one of the messages he sent me that it maybe one of the cuts was too high or something. So we'll get it apart. We'll figure it out once we get it open here. I like these stainless steel ones. I need to put stickers back on my tension bars too, so they help you know which is what here. Alright, so looking at our key, we know we got 5-pinner here. So back to pin 5. Click on that. Click on 4, 3, 2. Click on 1. Let's see what's holding us up here. So 1 feels alright. Jumps back here. Okay, I've gotten lots of small clicks. So we're dealing with a couple serrated pins, I'm sure. Alright, just touched one and we're open. So, let's see if we can... Got it here. And we'll see what's going on with this key. Alright, so it's like an old school 5-pin core, not the usual 6-pinner. And let's see if we can get the clip off without locking her back. turn it upside down, so that's fine. The driver's dropping into the pin chamber there and keep it from locking back. Push them out of the way. Let me actually go the other way. Oh shit. Dropping key pins. Alright, that's number 1 pin that came out. No big deal. There goes the rest of them. Oh well, no big deal. We'll be able to put them back in and see what's going on with the key there. And shooting pins out everywhere. So we got standard driver. Don't see that in American locks too often. Okay, that's a strange looking spool. I wonder if this was some kind of challenge lock at one time or something. I don't know. Or possibly not a regular American core that's in this lock. I'll get a better look at that in a second here. Well, they made a liar out of me saying serrated pins anyway. Not sure why I was getting multiple clicks. And I'm just going to leave the springs alone in there too, because unimportant. See if we can get this guy to focus here. So we have for drivers. Those look like some kind of homemade spools or something. Maybe not. I don't know. I've never seen anything like that in an American lock. So very well, it just could be not an American core because it is only also 5 pins, and they're usually pinned all 6, or usually 6, pinned 5. And let's see what's going on with our key here. So I'm gonna look at this. The longest pin is pin 1 is the chamber 1. I mean, is the longest one. So let's see if. Okay, that's way too long. Yeah, this might just be the wrong key here because these pins. I wish I hadn't dropped them out, but just looking at our key here. I'm just looking for the deeper cuts and the longer pins. So 1 and 4 are the deepest. 1 is deeper than 4. And then number 5 is the shortest. Yeah, I would say that the spacing on this key is way off, or this is just the completely wrong key. I'm going to say this is probably the wrong key here. Oh, son of a dang it. That works on 3 and 1, but we still got these real long ones, and there's no way. Yeah, I'm just going to say this is probably the wrong key. So, no worries. I will just could hand file it actually, but keyway here. Keys sitting around. All right. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this one, I guess. Here, I'll figure this key out. Not bore you guys to death on that. I'll either just cut it deeper or something, or just repin it. I lied. I'm still gonna bore you some more. This is an AM3 key. Yeah, it does fit, so it is the right keyway and everything. Alright, anyway. So, that's the American lock picked. It's gutted. And, like I said, I'll get a key working off camera. And, report back, or not report back, but anyway, that's going to do it for now. Then we'll talk to everybody later.